craft time at the Houston Public Library. Today we will be making paper lanterns. It's the perfect craft for Diwali, the festival of light, or any time of year when you just want to brighten your day. This craft is intended for ages 10 and up. You will need cardstock, dark is the best, tissue paper in any shade, a pencil, an x-acto knife, and an adult to help you, tape, and a battery-operated tea light. This can be found at craft stores or any holiday decorating aisle. Okay, so first we're going to start by folding our piece of paper 3/4 of the way down. So we're going to go like this, and then fold the other half over. This way we know how big we want our pattern to be. Go ahead and crease it. You will end up with a triangle when you stand it up, like this. Okay, this also lets you know how big your design needs to be, because this is the side we're going to color on. Go ahead and trace out your pattern in the middle panel. I went ahead and drew this one. When you're done, we're going to cut it out using the x-acto knife. X-acto knife. Time for the tissue paper. So, this is our outside. Go ahead and flip it over onto the inside, and then take your tissue paper and tape it to the inside. You can use different colors for the different shades. You don't have to use the same color for the whole pattern. Tape it in different spots so it stays up. Okay, now we've got a tape. Oh, looks like I missed a spot. Now that you have it taped in, we're going to go ahead and seal it. And this is where you'll need tape again. Go ahead and line up your edges just like that. And you can place a single piece of tape, fold it over like that, and it'll hold it up. We're going to go ahead and do 3 of those. Final step, take your tea light, turn it on, voila! Now you have a little paper lantern to light up your room. Thank you so much for joining us today. We hope to see you soon. Be sure to post your projects on social media with the hashtag #ILoveHPL. Bye!